Hold a 1935 $1 silver certificate in your hand and pause. This isn't just old paper, this is a piece of American story, with George Washington on the front, a blue treasury seal, and the words, "Silver Certificate," that remind us the nation once printed money tied to real silver. Now here's the truth that makes collectors lean closer. Most 1935 series $1 silver certificates are common, but condition and special features can push the value from a few dollars into serious collector money. Price guides for the 1935 silver certificate family show values starting around a couple dollars and rising into the hundreds, and for rare special issues in the same 1935 family, even 5 figures. So let's talk in a simple value ladder because this is how the market usually thinks. 1. Circulated, used, folds, worn corners often $100 to $700 if the note is clear and presentable. 2. Better circulated, cleaner, fewer heavy folds often $700 to $2,000. 3. About uncirculated, crisp, light handling only often $1,500 to $4,000. 4. Crisp uncirculated, sharp corners, bright paper often $2,500 to $7,500 plus, and higher if certified and eye-catching. Values vary by grade and demand. Now we reach the upgrades that can change everything. Star notes, look at the serial number. If there's a star symbol at the end, it's a replacement note, and collectors pay more. For the 1935 $1 replacement notes, published price ranges can climb into the high 30s in top condition. Fancy serial numbers, repeaters, radars, low numbers, solids, these can add strong premiums because the serial itself becomes the rare feature. Errors. A true printing error, like a misaligned overprint or dramatic shift, can create the bidding fight because it's visibly different and hard to find. And now the high price zone collectors dream about. Within the broader 1935 silver certificate family, some rare special varieties, like certain experimental issues, are listed in guides up to $20,000, proof that a $1 note can reach huge numbers when the variety is truly scarce and the condition is elite. Here's the smart move: don't guess. Don't clean it. Don't press it. Don't tape it. Put it in a protective sleeve. Check for star, check the paper crispness, and check for obvious printing mistakes. Then compare to reputable price guides or a trusted currency dealer. Disclaimer: all values are market estimates and can change with condition, rarity, certification, and collector demand. This is educational information, not financial or investment advice. Have you ever looked at a simple penny and thought, could this be worth more than 1 cent? Well, if you're holding a 1953 D Lincoln wheat cent, the answer might surprise you. This isn't just any penny. It's part of American coin history. And some versions of this coin, depending on condition and rarity, have sold for hundreds of dollars or more. Let's dive into the world of the 1953 D Lincoln cent and find out what makes this little copper coin so special and potentially so valuable. The 1953 D Lincoln wheat cent was minted at the Denver Mint, indicated by the small D mark just below the date. It features the iconic profile of President Abraham Lincoln on the front. The reverse side shows 2 wheat stalks, hence the nickname Wheat Penny, surrounding the words 1 cent and United States of America. The coin is made of 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc, with a weight of 3.11 grams. In total, over 700 million of these coins were struck in 1953. So yes, they're not rare in quantity. But what is rare is finding one in perfect condition or with unique mint errors that dramatically raise its value. Let's break down how much a 1953 D Lincoln cent can actually be worth. In circulated condition, most of these coins, found in everyday change, are worth between 50 and 80 cents. That's already more than face value, but nothing too exciting. In uncirculated condition, here's where things get interesting. MS-60 to MS-63 grade coins, that's mint state, meaning never used, can sell for $90 to $115. MS-64 red-brown coins may go for around $85 to $130. MS-65 full red coins jump up to $25. And in MS66 red, you're talking about $250 to $3,500 or more. Coins graded MS67 red, almost perfect, with full red luster, have sold for $400 or higher at major auctions. So yes, a humble penny could be hiding big money potential. What increases the value? Color grade. Collectors value coins with full red color from the mint. Brown or red-brown are less valuable. Full red, arty coins? That's the money maker. Grading. Coins graded by professional services like PCGS or NGC are trusted and valued higher. Coins with strong strike, full details, no scratches, and original luster? Miners. And this is the big one. Errors and varieties can multiply your coin's value. Rare errors to look for. Here are some of the most valuable types of 1953 D error coins. Doubled die obverse, DDO, where Lincoln's features or the date look doubled. These coins can sell for $1,000 to $1,800. Repunched mint mark, RPM, where the D was punched more than once. Some rare RPMs can go for $80 to $150. Beer, a small die break between the B and E in Liberty, forming what looks like the letter I. These usually sell for $5 to $25. Off-center strikes, coins that are struck off-center by 10 to 50% can be worth $25 to over $500, depending on the severity. Finding one of these errors, even on a circulated coin, could turn your penny into a collector's prize. Auction highlights. Some impressive sales include a 1953 D Lincoln cent in MS67 red, sold for over $2,300 at heritage auctions. Error coins with major RPMs or off-center strikes, certified by PCGS or NGC, have reached hundreds of dollars. How to check your coin. If you think you've got something special, here's what to do. Use a magnifying glass or jeweler's loupe to check for doubling, off-center strikes, or a repunched mint mark. Never clean your coin. Cleaning removes the natural patina and destroys value. Consider sending it to a certified grading company for evaluation. And remember, only a small fraction of coins survive in mint state, so even a small imperfection can make a big difference in price. Final thoughts. The 1953 D Lincoln wheat penny is a common coin with uncommon potential. While most are worth a few cents, the right coin with full red color, sharp detail, or a rare error could bring you big money. So the next time you're digging through your old coin jar or checking your pocket change, take a second look, because that old Lincoln cent might just be your hidden treasure. Thanks for watching. If you love coin collecting, rare currency, or just discovering hidden value in everyday things, make sure to follow, like, and subscribe for more coin value guides like this one. Happy collecting!